Good morning, students. Yesterday we had overview of our syllabus of class 12 CBSE. We studied and have a look and understood the various topics that are covered in our syllabus in CBSE 12th examination that will be covered. Now, today we will try to understand the main part that yesterday we discussed is that fundamental. One of the most important part of partnership business, partnership accountancy. So today we will discuss the main important part, fundamental, and within this we will try to, understand the meaning of partnership. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of partnership, and for this we will understand how in 11th class we studied about sole proprietorship business, and in that business there is only one person who contributes capital in the business, share solely risk of the business, and also share profit or loss of the business only solely. Okay, now but in this type of, as we know that if there is only one business, one person who is carrying on the business, then there may be limitation. What are the limitations of that person? Because his or her contribution of capital will be restricted, limited. His or her skill will be limited, and his ability to carry on the business will be limited as well. So to when we have a look on the demerits or drawback of sole proprietorship business, we started thinking about new type of business that may take away the various demerits of the sole proprietorship business. For this, a new type of business emerged, and the name of that business is partnership business. Okay, तो अब हम आज बात करेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस. पार्टनरशिप किसको बोलते हैं, पहले इसको हम समझेंगे, एंड देन we will understand the feature of the business, what are the various feature of the partnership business, and then we will move to our next relevant topic. Now, first of all, we will try to understand the meaning of partnership business. partnership business किसको बोलते हैं, इसको जरा हम समझें. Actually, if we want to understand the meaning of this word, then we have to look at the sentence. It is related to two or more persons that are agreed to carry on a business for profit motive that are agreed to carry on a business for profit motive. The business may be carried on by all the partners or any of them acting for all. Now we can understand the meaning of the partnership very easily. What is it? It is related to two or more persons. What is the meaning of this sentence? Actually, पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस का मतलब हो गया कि इसका संबंध दो या दो से अधिक लोगों से होता है, और वो दो और दो से अधिक लोग क्यों साथ में आए हैं क्योंकि वो एक बिजनेस कैरी ऑन करना चाहते हैं, और बिजनेस को कैरी ऑन करने के लिए उनका जो मोटिव है दैट इज नॉट सोशल मोटिव. Actually, there is only one type of motive, that is to earn some profit. That is profit motive. Now, the business may be carried on by all partners or any of them. It is not necessary to get involved in the business all the partners. It is not necessary for all the partners to get involved in the business. Any one of them can carry on the day-to-day business operation. There will be no problem in if there is some agreement regarding this. कहने का मतलब है कि बिजनेस जो है वो कैरी ऑन हो सकता है सारे पार्टनर्स के द्वारा, और नहीं तो कोई भी एक पार्टनर निश्चित रूप से बिजनेस को कैरी ऑन कर सकता है अगर ऐसा कुछ एग्रीमेंट में आपस में किया हुआ है तो ये हमारा डेफिनेशन है पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस का. अब हम नेक्स्ट मूव करें फीचर की तरफ. फीचर जरा हम देखें. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि कोई भी बिजनेस का जो कुछ ना कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है, तो यहाँ भी पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. जैसे सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में भी मेरा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक था सोल शेयरिंग ऑफ रिस्क, सोल शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट, लिमिटेड कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन. तो इस तरीके के यहाँ भी कुछ फीचर्स है, इसको हमको देखना है. फर्स्ट फीचर इज टू और more person. Actually, for a partnership business, there should be at least 2 person or more person. It can never be assumed that a partnership business can be carried out by only one person. If there is only one person, it means this type of business, such type of business will be called as sole proprietorship business. So, minimum number of partners. Next feature of the partnership business is agreement. There should be an agreement between the partners. Agreement may be oral or written. It is not necessary that the agreement should be in written form. There it should be oral as well. So there should be agreement regarding capital contribution of the partners, regarding salary or commission or any type of remuneration that a partner can have, or what will be the profit sharing ratio. All will be written in the agreement. So this is the next feature of the partnership. Third is there should be existence of business. The partnership form to have a party, to have a walk in garden will not be called as partnership business. The agreement should be, or collaboration or a group of person will be called a partnership business in that case only when they have gathered or made an agreement to carry on a particular type of economic activity for production, consumption, investment and exchange. So there should be existence of business. Next is there should be profit sharing agreement. There should be profit sharing. What does it mean? It means, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि जो बिजनेस जो कैरी ऑन हो रहा है तो उसके लिए प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग होना चाहिए. प्रॉफिट या लॉस जो भी हो रहा है तो वो पार्टनर आपस में बांटे, आपस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें. तो ये भी एक फीचर हो गया. और थर्ड इज no separate existence. As in the case of joint stock company, no separate existence. As in the case of joint stock company, the promoters and the joint stock company are two different legal entities. But in the case of partnership business, the partners and the firm itself are not treated as separate entity. Actually they are treated as only one entity. यानी इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, ज्वाइंट स्टॉक कंपनी में जो मेंबर जो बनाने वाले होते हैं, जो मेंबर होते हैं, और ज्वाइंट स्टॉक कंपनी जो होते हैं वो दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं। लीगली अगर देखें तो दोनों का एग्जिस्टेंस अलग होता है, एक एंटिटी नहीं माना जाता है। लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस की बात करें तो यहाँ पर दोनों अलग अलग नहीं माने जाते हैं, यहाँ पर एक ही माने जाते हैं। यानी बिजनेस और उसका पार्टनर दोनों एक ही होता है, एक ही उनका आइडेंटिटी होता है। इस कारण से कहेंगे कि उनका कोई भी सेपरेट एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है। और इस तरह से और भी बहुत सारा फीचर्स है जो कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं, और 11th में भी हमने देखा है। तो ये वीडियो पर बस इतना ही, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम फिर करते हैं।